Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi Turbo 3, and today I will show you how we can insert a SIM card into the device. Now before you get started, you will need to grab a SIM eject tool similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which is located at the bottom of the phone, right over here. So grabbing your little tool, here's the insert area, and you want to push the pin in. You can see that once you do that, this tray pops out enough for you to be able to pull it out, which I already have a SIM card on here, so I'm just gonna pop it out. There we go. So by default, you have space for two different SIM cards, one on either side. You can obviously occupy both of those trays if you want to, but I will be using only one. And if you're planning to use only one, you can place it on the top or the bottom, it doesn't matter. Just make sure that the card is clipped in correctly. It should be laying flush on the tray, and it should not be falling out if you flip it upside down. So from there, insert it back into the device. There we go. And our card should start working right away. There we go, enter SIM card pin. Once confirmed, this unlocks the SIM card and it should just start working as expected. Couldn't find SIM 1, SIM 2 is set as your default. Okay, so there we go. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.